A wonderful good morning to my wonderful Patans. So, I am back again with your computer class, and I hope you all are enjoying your computer classes. So, in the last class, we have started the book exercise and we have done the short answer questions of chapter 2, more about keyboard. So, today we are going to do the next two short answer questions and two long answer questions. So, everyone just take out your notebooks, okay, and get ready, and also keep your computer books as well with you. Now, let's start the question answers. So, first of all, everyone write down today's date, and you have to start just from where we have finished the answer to define cursor control keys, जहाँ हमने finish किया है. Just leave one line from there and write down the third question. What is enter key used for? So enter key हम किस लिए यूज़ करते हैं? Enter key is used to start a new line, or we can say to move the cursor to the next line. Okay, so we'll write the answer now. Okay, so we'll write here that enter key, just write with me and write in a neat and clean handwriting. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Okay, so just write it. And after writing, just leave one line and write down the fourth question. Define shortcut keys. Define shortcut keys. सो शॉर्टकट कीज़ की डेफिनेशन हमने देनी है. सो बेसिकली शॉर्टकट कीज़ आर द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू और मोर कीज़ प्रेस टुगेदर टू परफॉर्म अ पर्टिकुलर एक्शन. ओके, सो बेसिकली शॉर्टकट कीज़ क्या होती हैं? जब हम शॉर्टकट कीज़ वो कीज़ होती हैं जिसमें हम दो या दो से ज़्यादा कीज़ को एक साथ यूज़ करते हैं, प्रेस करते हैं कोई भी एक पर्टिकुलर एक्शन परफॉर्म करने के लिए. जैसे अगर हमें अंडू कमांड हम यूज़ करते हैं, उसके लिए हम कंट्रोल प्लस जेड की कॉम्बिनेशन यूज़ करते हैं. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू कॉपी एनी टेक्स्ट और एनी पिक्चर, देन यू यूज़ कंट्रोल प्लस सी. ओके, पेस्ट करने के लिए हम कंट्रोल प्लस वी यूज़ करते हैं. सो लाइक दैट. सो जस्ट राइट डाउन विद मी. Shortcut keys are the combination of two or more keys pressed together to perform a particular task. And here we will say action, particular action. Okay, I'll give you example also so that it will be clear to you. So CTRL plus C we use it for copying any text or picture. Or one more example, control plus V to paste any text or picture. Okay, so just write it and write in a neat and clean handwriting. So this will be clear to you when we'll do the Microsoft Word chapter na, then you will understand it very clearly, these shortcut keys. Okay, so this you have to do. Now those who have done, now leave 2 lines and now write down the 6th part, long answer questions. 6th part, long answer questions, and after that you have to leave 1 line and write down the first question. What is the difference between delete key and backspace key? What is the difference between delete key and backspace key? Delete key और backspace key में क्या difference है, that we have to write. So we'll write in difference form only. हम ऐसे ही on left side will write delete key, right side will write backspace key, put a line in between and then we'll write. So we'll write here, it is used to erase or it is used to erase the text typed on the right side of the cursor. Okay, whereas backspace key is used to erase the text typed on the left side of the cursor. So we'll write here, it is used to erase the text typed on the left side of the cursor. Okay, so just write it down, and once you will finish, you have to leave 1 line and then you have to write the second question, explain number keys. Explain number keys. So number keys को हमें explain करना है. So basically number keys are from 0 to 9 and on our keyboard we have 2 set of number keys. We can see here, one is just above the alphabet keys and other is on the right side of your keyboard, and the number keys which are on the right side of the keyboard, we call these keys numeric keypad. Okay, and these are used to type the numbers. So we'll write the answer here. Number keys are from 0 to 9 and there are two sets of number keys on a standard keyboard. देन विल राइट इन पॉइंट्स. ओके, सो आप भी ऐसे ही पॉइंट्स में लिखेंगे. वन सेट इज प्रेजेंट just above the alphabet keys and the other set of number keys is on the right side of the keyboard. Right side of keyboard known as numeric keypad. Okay, so this you have to write. So write it down in a neat and clean handwriting. So today we have done 2 short answer question. What is enter key used for? Define shortcut keys. And we have done long answer questions. What is the difference between delete key and backspace key, and explain number keys. Okay, so this we have done. So everyone, just complete these question answers in your notebook and keep revising the chapter. Now from the next class we are going to start the revision. Okay, so keep revising the chapter. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.